बेटा जी, इधर आओ। हाँ, पता नहीं किसी बच्चे को करा था। क्या हो गया बताओ? क्या 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 भूल नहीं रही है? श्रेयांश की बच्ची थी। नहीं, अक्षत का मैंने कुछ नहीं करा। सृष्टि, गुड आफ्टरनून। यस जी।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून पावनी। हैव यू सेंट योर पीडीएफ?
Yes, ma'am, I sent it that time. I don't know why it created a problem today. Like the PDF wasn't loading on WhatsApp.
हाँ, there are certain issues even I was facing. When I was opening them, I was not able to open them. They were not opening. So I have messaged many of the students that the PDFs are not opening, reset them.
Yes, ma'am. That is why I asked if I could send only the image.
चलो कोई नहीं. Actually, you know, immediately after the exam gets over, we have our classes. So it becomes very difficult to manage the classes as well as the calls also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, simultaneously 3-4 people were calling. You called on that number, 2 were calling on my personal number which I had, which I use. One was calling on my son's number, which I gave for the exam purpose last year.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I thought that I thought that I might definitely disturb you this way, but I couldn't think of anything else like what to do.
I know. I can understand your condition also, position also. It is fine. Chaliye. I hope you all have attempted all the questions.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem in any of the questions?
No, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
in network part, like can we write more than one soil because according to the state it was mixed.
I didn't get you. Come again.
Ma'am, like in some states, it's not like that only one type of soil is present in a state.
Ha, you can.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can. Like in one of the states, 2 numbers were given, 4 and 6.
Ma'am,
So
in
that-
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
I was not. I never wanted to say this because
Yes, sir, Rajasthan.
you not send the PDFs. अभी वो सब correction करके भेज देंगे देखो. That is why I didn't take name of anything. हाँ, वो राजस्थान था जहाँ पे 2 तरीके की soil types हैं. So I gave it just to check कि how many of you have actually understood the map work, because ये कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे बच्चों को confusion होता है कि भाई एक स्टेट में एक ही टाइप क्यों होगी. ठीक है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what we were doing. We were on political parties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And history chapter is over.
Ma'am, question answers are left.
So
Ma'am, we have to do
Yes, ma'am.
let us do question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? चलिए. Is Jay there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Test was good.
Test was easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was so easy.
बेटा इजी नहीं था, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ था इसलिए वो इजी लगा. मुझे लगता है शायद पहली बार ऐसा हुआ
But it take ma'am lot of time.
बेटा देखो लिखने में तो ऑफ कोर्स इट टेक्स टाइम, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट मुझे लगता
स्क्रीन शेयर के कारण होता है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है बेटा. पेपर तो काफी हमने बहुत ही इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस दिए थे जो कि बहुत जनरल थे. हमने कई बार करे भी हुए थे क्लास में और मुझे लगता है
Yes, ma'am.
एवरी नाउ एंड देन
Ma'am,
हमने
and-
इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को करा है. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, it was easy and short.
हाँ, मतलब I kept the mind time limit in the mind कि भाई अगर आपको सिविक्स का भी होगा तो सब चीजें हैं, पीडीएफ बनाना, सब कुछ उस चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए मुझे लगा कि दिस मच इज ओके.
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
हाँ चलिए.
मैम वो इकोनॉमिक्स का
इको का तो बहुत इजी था आप लोगों का.
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Only
हमने
4 questions
पहले
were.
क्लियर किया था
Four questions are.
मैम, फिर वो
चलो कोई नहीं, अच्छी बात है ये तो.
मैम जिनकी मैम राइटिंग
Of
कम है,
math.
स्लो है, तो मैम उनके लिए रुकना पड़ता है.
हाँ बस एक्चुअली क्या है ना बेटा, बोर्ड्स में टाइम की, बोर्ड्स क्या, अब आपको जैसे जैसे आप हायर क्लासेस में जाओगे, टाइम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू नीड टू इंक्रीज योर राइटिंग स्पीड. देयर आर, आई नो देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट हमारी क्लास. एक तो मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. लिखने की बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिस नहीं है उन लोग. एंड अभी एग्जाम एकदम से लिखना पड़ गया, टाइम बाउंड हो गया ये, है ना. तो इसकी वजह से और थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स दे वर फेसिंग. तो इस वजह से जो है दिक्कत है. अगर हम देखो, अगर हम रेगुलर रहते हैं बेटा किसी भी चीज में, तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि हमें प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है. व्हेन वी आर इरेगुलर इन समथिंग, तब ऑब्वियसली जब सडनली कुछ चीज आके पड़ती है सब पे, तो फिर मुश्किल तो होती है. वो हर किसी के साथ है, हमारे साथ भी है, आप लोगों के साथ भी है. इजंट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए
यस मैम.
चलिए. आई होप यू हैव द बुक्स विद यू.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Shall I share the book with you all
यस मैम.
so that the questions are, it is easy for you to look at the questions. बस I think Thursday is the last exam.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Science exam.
Hmm?
मैम साइंस एग्जाम.
Science exam.
Science exam, toughest one, huh? Tough तो खैर सभी
No,
होता है.
ma'am. It's not
Lengthiest
tough.
but not toughest.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's not toughest.
टफ से मेरा मतलब ये है कि आपको डिटेल्स पता होनी चाहिए, फैक्ट्स पता होने चाहिए, प्रैक्टिस
Yes,
होनी
ma'am.
चाहिए, है ना. वो हर सब्जेक्ट
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Explain the following. Women workers in Britain attacked the spinning jenny.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, page number 111.
Hmm.
The fear of unemployment made workers hostile to the introduction of new technology. When the spinning jenny was introduced in the woolen industry, women who survived on hand spinning began attacking on the new machines. This conflict over the introduction of the jenny continued for a long time.
ठीक है. Page 111, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, एकदम करेक्ट है. Up till where you have read out?
Ma'am, page 112 where the first para ends.
For a long time. This is the correct answer. Only up till here you are supposed to write. I hope all have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, in the 17th century, merchants from towns in Europe began employing peasants and artisans within the village. Explain why. See, this answer you will get on page number.
I'm 105.
Yes, 105. Very good. बताओ गांधी.
Ma'am, page 105, third para, first line. In
Yes.
the 17th and 18th centuries, merchants from the towns in Europe began moving to the countryside, supplying money to peasants and artisans, persuading them to produce for an international market. With the expansion of world trade and the acquisition of colonies in different parts of the world, the demand for goods began growing. But merchants could not expand production within towns. This was because here urban crafts and trade guilds were powerful. There were associations of producers that trained craftspeople, maintained control over production, regulated competition and prices, and restricted the entry of new people into the trade. Rulers granted to different guilds the monopoly right to produce and trade in specific products. It was therefore difficult for new merchants to set up in towns, so they turned to countryside.
ठीक है. इसमें हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग द होल पैराग्राफ इसको हम पार्ट्स में कर लेते हैं, है ना. तो फर्स्ट 4 लाइंस ऑफ द फर्स्ट ऑफ द थर्ड पैराग्राफ अप टिल मार्केट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Then leave 2 lines, third line पे आ जाओ. Merchants could not expand production within towns. This was because here urban crafts and trade guilds were powerful. These were associations of producers that trained craftspeople, maintained control over production, regulated competition and prices and restricted the entry of new people into the trade. उसके बाद it was therefore difficult for new merchants to set up business in town, so they turned to the countryside, employing peasants and artisans within the villages. ठीक है,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
चलिए, next question. The port of Surat declined by the end of the 18th century. Explain why. Where will you get this answer?
Ma'am, page 130.
116.
Nana, 113.
Ma'am, the last para.
हाँ. Very good. Read out.
The European companies gradually gained power, first securing a variety of concessions from local courts, then the monopoly rights to trade. This resulted in a decline of the old ports of Surat and Hooghly, through which local merchants had operated. Exports from these ports fell dramatically. The credit that had financed the earlier trade began drying up, and the local bankers slowly went bankrupt.
Yes.
In the last year,
बस इतना ही. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, the East India Company appointed Gomasthas to supervise weavers in India. Explain why.
Ma'am, page 115.
115, yes.
Ma'am, the company tried to eliminate the existing traders and brokers connected with the cloth trade and establish a more direct control over the weavers. They appointed a paid servant called the Gomastha to supervise weavers, collect supplies, and examine the quality of cloth.
Right. And even the second paragraph also. Both
It
the
prevented
see the
First,
first
okay.
and the second points that are given over here as first and second. You can have 4 or 5 points out of these 2 points that are given in the book. The 2 paragraphs that are given, you can have 5 points out of it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Chaliye. Next. Next question is true or false? Chaliye. Can we have Gargi reading the first statement?
Yes, ma'am. At the end of the 19th century, 80% of the total workforce in Europe was employed in the technologically advanced industrial sector.
True or false?
Ma'am, true.
It is false. बेटा ये टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर तो 19th सेंचुरी के बाद आया था ना. 20th
Ma'am, may I tell this?
Okay, ma'am.
This is false. Okay. First one is
May I?
false. Next one.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Puneet, next one.
Ma'am, may I?
The
Puneet?
international market for fine textiles was dominated by India till the 18th century. Ma'am, it is true.
It is true. Very good.
True.
Very
May I
good.
tell the next one?
Yes, Himanshu.
The American Civil War resulted in the reduction of cotton exports from India. And it is false.
Yes, it is. Third one. No, it
False.
is false. It is false.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next. Can we
May I?
have? हाँ चलो पावनी.
May I tell?
पावनी को पढ़ने दो.
May I?
बेटा पावनी को पढ़ने दो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
American Civil War resulted in the reduction of cotton exports from India?
True or false?
Ma'am, this we have already
Ma'am,
done.
may I?
D1, D1.
The
May I
introduction
tell,
of
May,
ma'am?
textile enabled
may I
handloom
tell?
workers to improve their productivity.
Huh. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am,
Ah,
true.
Ma'am,
yes,
true.
it is
Ma'am,
true,
true.
beta. It is true.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is true.
It is true. Now, what is meant by proto-industrialization?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, page number 105, second para. Even
Yes.
before factories began to dot the landscape in England and Europe, there was large-scale industrial production for an international market. This was not based on factories. This phase of industrialization is known as proto-industrialization.
ठीक है. Very good. Only this much is required क्योंकि ये आपके 3 marks questions है बेटा. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Coming to the discuss one. First question is, why did some industrialists in 19th century Europe prefer hand labor over machines? बताओ.
I'm searching the answer.
Okay, कर लो कर लो.
Yes, ma'am, search.
Ma'am,
Sir?
because it was costly.
हाँ.
Ma'am, can you scroll down the screen?
अच्छा.
Ma'am, I think page 09.
It is given on which page number?
Ma'am, I think on 109.
Let me open.
Yes.
Ma'am, like the place where they tell that the people demanded specific shapes and designs which could only be made through handloom workers.
Okay, 109. No, no. See, I think in this we need to write that one, no, where it was written that integrate designs were there.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am, it
that
is
is
there
what.
on 109.
It is on.
Ma'am,
Yes,
109.
ma'am, 109.
It is here only. I am not able to find those lines.
Ma'am, the last para on this page.
Ma'am, the
Ah,
para
last
below
Below
the.
the figure.
Yes.
Last.
This one only. As our see, some industrialists in 19th century Europe preferred hand labor over machines because first, a range of products could be produced only with hand labor. Machines were oriented to produce in producing uniforms, standardized goods for mass market, but the demand in the market was often for goods with intricate designs and specific shapes. In mid 19th century, Britain, for instance, ये आप लिख देना चाहो तो these required human skill, not the mechanical technology. ठीक है?
Ma'am, there is one more point on page 108.
बताओ.
Ma'am, page 108, third para.
Yes.
The last line. The machines often broke down and repair was costly. They were not as effective as their inventors and manufacturers claimed.
Right. This also you can write as a point. ठीक है?
Can we also write that the industrialists did not want to introduce machines that got rid of
ना ना ना
human
ना ये
labor?
नहीं, ये नहीं, नहीं. ये पूछ रहा है कि भाई कुछ इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जो थे वो हैंड लेबर को क्यों प्रेफर करते थे ओवर मशीन्स. तो हैंड लेबर को देखो, आप देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना कि द विक्टोरियन ब्रिटेन पेज 110 में the aristocrats and the burghers preferred things produced by hand. Handmade products came to symbolize refinement and class. They were better finished, individually produced, and carefully designed. ठीक है?
Yes.
Ma'am, this also we have to write.
नहीं नहीं, आई एम टेलिंग यू कि ये भी लिख सकते हैं, ये भी, क्योंकि ये बताता है कि किस तरीके से जो मशीन मेड गुड था वो तो सभी के लिए एक जैसा बन रहा था, एंड दीज पीपल दे वांटेड समथिंग यूनिक। तो इसीलिए जो है कुछ लोगों के पास हैंड लेबर जो था उसका वर्क ज्यादा था इन कंपैरिजन टू दी मशीन। ठीक है?
Ma'am, 3 or 5 points.
You can see this question can come for 4 points लिख लो आप, ना 3 लिखो ना 5 लिखो, 4 लिख लो, that will be okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. Good. Next question. How did the East India Company procure regular supplies of cotton and silk textiles from Indian weavers?
Ma'am, page number 115.
150. बताओ.
Ma'am, here they say that the East India Company ensured regular supplies of cotton and silk goods. This it did through a series of steps. Ma'am, the first and second point.
You can cut short this. You can simply write that Gomastas were appointed to procure the supply of cotton and raw material from the weavers. Then company introduced that system of advances, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? You can also write about the nobles and the aristocrats, those who demanded handmade goods. बस इन 3 points को आप वो कर दो, highlight कर दो चाहो तो, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? हाँ. Then next is, imagine that you have been asked to write an article for an encyclopedia on Britain and the history of cotton. Write your piece using information from the entire chapter. बेटा अब ये जो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस हैं, they are important. उसका कारण ये है कि हमने आपको उस दिन बताया था ना कि इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस भी they are going to ask you just to see that how much you have understood the chapter. तो इसको आप कैसे करोगे? ये हम बाद में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, आप लोग ढूंढ लीजिएगा, ठीक है इसको?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did industrial production in India increase during the First World War? ये आपको मिलेगा पेज नंबर 121 पे. 121 पेज नंबर है, लास्ट पैराग्राफ.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm got it.
Yes, ma'am. Found.
थर्ड लाइन. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ये आप कर लीजिए.
Ma'am, 4 points.
हाँ, इसके 4 पॉइंट्स कर लीजिएगा, इजी रहेगा लर्न करने में.
Okay, ma'am. And can you share the flowcharts?
फॉर दिस चैप्टर?
No, ma'am. Civics.
अच्छा, अब सिर्फ के
And this chapter flowcharts you have done.
बेटा इस चैप्टर के फ्लो चार्ट्स करवाए हैं हमने आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
हो
I'm
गए थे ना?
completed. Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
ठीक है, तो सिविक्स के फ्लो चार्ट्स, सिविक्स से कौन से चैप्टर के नहीं करवाए? पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज,
And chapter 4. Caste, religion, and
जेंडर.
caste, religion, gender. Yes, ma'am.
करवाए नहीं है हमने फ्लो चार्ट्स.
No,
Yes.
ma'am. मैम एक ही करवाया था.
इसका कौन सा करा था हमने, ये बता दो बस.
मैम उसमें कास्ट, रिलीजन और जेंडर अलग अलग.
कैन यू शो इट टू मी ऑन द स्क्रीन कि हमने इसका एग्जैक्टली क्या चीज करा हुआ है पुनीत? मुझे थोड़ा आइडिया लग
Yes,
जाएगा.
ma'am.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा, ये हमने इसके 3 पॉइंट्स करे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर इसके बाद और कौन सा था? मेरे ख्याल से इतना ही है बेटा, इसमें और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है।
Make it short.
हाँ, यही था मेन, जिसमें मतलब एक तरीके से चैप्टर भी समझाया गया था इसके थ्रू कि भाई क्या क्या चीजें हैं। लेट मी जस्ट चेक कोई,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? चाहो तो आप लोग कर लो, हम करा दे रहे हैं। नोटबुक्स है आना आप लोग के पास? आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन, यू जस्ट नोट डाउन। ओके,
Yes. Yes.
चलिए चलिए हम शुरू कर लेते हैं। ये स्क्रीन शेयर हम बोल दे रहे हैं, शेयरिंग अ न्यू स्क्रीन। ओके, चलिए स्क्रीन आ गया।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो राइट डाउन।
Yes, ma'am.
दिस चैप्टर 4, फ्लो चार्ट सेकंड। Division of labor, gender bias, property,
Ma'am, it is gender biased.
हाँ जेंडर बायस, BIAS।
Okay.
ठीक है, सैलरी बायस, इसमें या तो लो पेड या फिर अंडर पेड। ठीक है, देन सेक्स रेशियो, ये this is domestic
Violence.
violence. ठीक है. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Shall I scroll?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now flow chart. Sorry. Communalism in, sorry.
This is 1 point only.
This is one single point. बेटा ये अगर ये हमारा फर्स्ट है, ये हमारा सेकंड है, तो इसको हम थर्ड ले ले रहे हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Can you show the second point once?
हाँ.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please show the flowchart.
हम्म.
Ma'am, how many flowcharts are there?
बेटा इसमें तो है आपके शोइंग, ये थर्ड है, 7 आर देयर, वो बस छोटे छोटे हैं, ज्यादा बड़े बड़े नहीं है.
Okay, ma'am.
They are
Ma'am,
basically
third
based
point
on,
is
third point, mobilization on communal lines, then use of religious symbols, emotional appeal and fear. ठीक है, और यहाँ से आप ले लो इसका 4th पॉइंट. ठीक है,
okay, ma'am.
this will be fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And disintegration of
That's it, only disintegration. भाई कम्युनल वायलेंस में क्या होता है, टोटली डिसइंटीग्रेट किया जाता है,
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
वो ये बता रहा
I'm done.
है. Done?
Ma'am, third point is still emotional.
हाँ, इमोशनल अपील एंड फियर.
Ma'am, done.
ठीक है,
I'm done.
ठीक है. नाउ फ्लो चार्ट 4th.
Ma'am, meeting is about to.
2 मिनट है बेटा, हो जाएगा ये वाला.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is third.
बेटा दिस इज 4th one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first one was earlier given.
Okay ma'am.